Okay, we're going to be taking the difference of two radical expressions. Let's take a look. So we got 4 roots of 32 minus 4 roots of 2. Alright, what I'm going to do, let's take a look at this 32 here. So let's first start off by just breaking it down to two numbers that we know that will multiply together to give us 32, and the first two come to my mind is 8 times 4. So we'll start there, and I'll just go ahead and rewrite. Now we can break down this to 4 roots of 2 cubed, which is 8, times 2 squared. Go ahead and rewrite. Of course, we're in radical form right now. We'll have to change over to exponential form here in just a minute. Now, because we have 4 roots of, what we probably want to do is get, I think what I'll do now is go ahead and just convert on over to exponential form. So this is, we're going to write this as 2 to the 4th times 2. Okay, when we add these two together, we get 5, and of course there's assumed to be a 1 right here. When we add those together, we also get 5. And of course, this is all raised to the 1/4 power. We'll go ahead and write it in the same form for the next term. Now, you can see that 2 to the 4th, right, we're going to take this 1/4 and multiply it by the 4. We'll go ahead and put parentheses around that. Times 2 to the 1/4 would be this here. And 2 to the, I don't know, I wrote a half here. I meant to put a 4. You were probably screaming at me. So as you can see, 4 times 1/4 is 1. So we end up with 2 times 2 to the 4th minus, and I forgot to write a 4th here, minus 2 to the 1/4. So now we have like terms. There's a 2 out front. There's really, we could say, a 1 out front here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this reduces down. Reduces down to 2 to the 1/4. We want to go ahead and now write that back in radical form. Okay, so let's take a look. So this is all equal to 4 roots of 2. You might say 4 roots of 2. It's kind of weird, isn't it? Anyway, it really is. I'd actually check that on the calculator to make sure. Alright, I think that's going to end this little tutorial on this problem, and I'll see you in the next one.